good.
Worry wanna steal my joy away, but I ain't gonna let it win. 'Cause on my best day, I'm a child of God. My worst day, I'm a child of God. Oh, every day is a good day, and you're the reason why I'm so
Hello to everyone, my name is Marvin. I am from Shillong, Meghalaya, India.
Hi friends, my name is David from Sydney, Australia.
Hi friends, my name is Pedro from Indonesia.
Hi everyone, my name is Iki Kang from South Korea.
We are a part of the AEYA 2026, which is organized by Christian Conference of Asia. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, this is
First ride to our seminar center.
Yeah, first ride and what we
I've had a long day, I just wanna relax. No time for my friends, no time to chit chat. Problems at the job, wondering what to do. I know I should be working, but I'm thinking of you. And just when I feel this crazy, but it's gonna bring me down. This when you smile comes around, and I love the way you hold me. Like you inside, you always be. It's like each and every day, make it special in some way. I love the way you hold me in your arms. Always be, it's like each and every day, make it special in some way. I love you more than the words in my brain can express. I can't imagine even loving you less, Lord. I love the way you hold me. Took my day and flipped it around, calmed the tidal wave and put my feet on the ground. Forever in my heart, always on my mind. It's crazy how I think about you all of the time, and just when I think I'm about to figure you out, you make me wanna sing and shout. I love the way you hold me, by my side you'll always be. It's like each and every day, make it special in some way. I love the way you hold me, in your arms I'll always be. It's like each and every day, make it special in some way. I love you more than the words in my brain can express. I can't imagine even loving you less, Lord. I love the way you hold me.
Và และยิ่งกว่านั้นจะมีพวกผู้หญิง มเดินทางกันไปที่อุโบสถ์แล้วก็ประหลาดใจมากเข้าไปที่อุโบสถ์ไม่พบพระศพเขารู้ไม่พบพระศพของพระเยซูและเล่าต่อไปว่าที่ตอนนั้นพวกเธอยังเห็นนิมิตเป็นผู้สวรรค์
But is it one worth telling? Is it one you like?
Let's dance together with us. This is Maumere from Indonesia. Stand up please.
But is it one worth telling? Is it one
Bye, Matthew. See you again. Have a safe journey.
Who am I? Am I just a poor preacher's prodigal son? Troubled child, running wild, chasing the glory.
So much. We are very much blessed to witness the AEYN 2026. Thank you.
We share the same feeling, and we just want to thank everybody. It's been such a great experience, and until the next meet, see you all. Have a great journey ahead.
While we were in the park, that time was it is raining.
The pen in the